Okay, guys, I'm back. This is jars of canned meatloaf that we've decided. I know it's grease. It's not. It's not yellow from poison or anything. It's just the grease. So we're gonna open these babies up, throw them in the oven to get them warm, and then Bob's gonna make mashed potatoes. Yummy, because I suck at mashed potatoes, but he's good, so he can do that. And I'll let you know how it turns out. If I don't, if you don't see this one, then it turned out bad. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, everyone's gone to bed, and I thought I should make a video. Um, I am sorry that I've been absent for a while. I just haven't been myself for the last week and a half. Um, I'm still not totally okay, but I'm trying to get back with it. Uh, have no idea what happened. I just took a nosedive. Um, but I have hopes that there'll be more videos coming. I'm up in Tennessee. I just want to let you guys know that. Uh, hey, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Hi. 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 Did you say hi? No, you're too busy trying to get those fleas. I gotta go to the vet tomorrow and pick him up some flea medication, so he'll be good. Uh, anyway, I'm up in Tennessee. Um, I'm at Marlene's house. I was house sitting for her and Bob. They had to go away for about 4 days, so I was helping them out. I was house sitting, dog sitting, cat sitting, you name it. I was sitting it. But anyway, today I felt a lot better than I have, like I said, in a week and a half. And so hopefully I'll get back to um, normal, as much normal as I can possibly be. Oh, God. Um, so tonight we had meatloaf that we canned 6 months ago, and it was awesome. I'm still alive. Still alive. No stomach upset or anything. Well, what, honey? I know, but I'll make a video. Let me get this right. I can do a better job when I get done with this video, okay? I will scratch your back. I will scratch it. Yes, I will. Okay, well, he needs attention. So I'm going to go, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm back in town. Getting it done. So you guys take it easy. Take the long way home. And be careful, you know. Don't go crazy, but just be careful with everything. And I was a little worried about coming up here driving, because I thought, oh shoot, riots and all that stuff. What am I doing? What am I thinking? Coming making an 8-hour drive, which turned out to be closer to 11 because I was so tired. But yeah, but there was a lot of construction guys, and half of them were black, so the guys who have to stop and go and slow, and the guys who direct traffic for the construction company. Half of them were black, and I just waved, like I normally do, and they, hi. So I thought, well, okay, so far so good. So, but yeah, I was kind of worried about the drive, especially all the things I've heard on TV. So, but I made it. Everything's cool. And I'm going to be starting tomorrow making more videos. And I got my feet wet tonight with the uh, meatloaf. So anyway, it was good. It was good. It wasn't burnt enough for me, but it was good. All we had to do is take it out of the jars and put it in the oven to warm it, and it was wonderful. Uh, yeah. So anyway, I just looked in my closet with my prepping food. Hmm. And there's something I've been wanting to make for you guys, but I haven't. I couldn't find angel food cake in the stores the couple times I went out down there in Florida. So I just happened to find it tonight in my prepping stuff. So I'm going to make it for you tomorrow. So anywho, have a good night or morning whenever you see this. Take it easy. Take a long way home. Woo-hoo. Okay, I forgot to do something very important. I got a package in the mail. I got a package. I got a package. It's just a little package, but it meant a lot to me. Anyway, I got a very nice letter from Rebecca. And Rebecca, I don't know if I could say your last name or not, so I'm not going to do it. But you know who you are. You. Okay. But she made me, or probably did make me, but she made some of these and sent me one. And it's a little bottle opener. This shelf. Daggone it, I'm shaking a lot. So, I'm so sorry. Um, okay, there you go. It's the only way I can do it without shaking. I have to hold my hands on something hard. Get it? Hard head. Anyway, it's this little rubber mat you put in the cabinet, and she has crocheted around it. And I think that is just such a clever idea. There you go, girl. And she sent the cutest little card. Oh my gosh. It says, I can't wait to see your face. And it's got the cutest little nose. Wait a minute. Right there is a little face mask. Oh my God, is that so cute? I love it. I love it. It's, I just love this. This is just so fun with she even put the little fold things in the mask. That is so cool. Anyway, thank you, Rebecca. I really appreciate it, and I love it, and I'll keep it forever. Forever and ever. This goes in my happy book. The card's going in my happy book, and this is hanging up in my kitchen area in my van. Yes, I know I haven't done the video of my van yet, but I rethought about my I cut my video off by mistake. Anyway, I was redoing my van, and then I'm thinking, I don't like that. I'm going to do something else. So when I got feeling better today, I went and took everything that I have And that's a lot of crap. Everything I have that pertaining to arts and crafts out of my van. And I'm going to redo it. And I think I'm not going to keep everything in my van. I'm going to just take little pieces with me, like while I'm up here, I'm going to do a weekend trip. So I really don't need to keep all that stuff in the van. I can, I have a room here at the house, and it's my room, and I can put anything I want in it. So while I'm here, I'm just going to keep my stuff here. So I have room in the van. So anyway, that will be coming this week, the van. I'm hoping I can get it done by, well, I'm saying Friday. But, nothing ever works out the way it plans. So it'll probably end up being Saturday or something. So again, take it easy. Take the long way home. Okay? Bye. Ooh, ooh.